Welcome to Ellia's Creative Corner. Today we're gonna make cinnamon rolls. You have to wash your hands before, because if you don't wash your hands, you're gonna get germs on your food.
That's right.
And when people eat them, you're gonna get your germs and you're gonna get sick.
They could.
First, you have to reheat the oven, and you'll need a grown-up to help you. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's where the instructions
Right
are.
here.
Yeah.
The butter, and then spread it around in your pan to not stick the cinnamon rolls away when you take it out. This is a really tricky open. You might need a grown-up's help. So now you're going to take your cinnamon rolls, and then you put the white part on the bottom, so they cook on the brown part.
Yeah, do you know what that is on top?
Cinnamon. You'll have to have space so you can cook them. You can take them out easily. There we go.
Ooh, it looks like a flower.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like this, Mom.
Yeah.
So after, you'll need a grown-up to help you put it in the oven.
Okay.
Be careful, Mom. You're gonna take out your icing. We're gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Alexa, please set a timer at 15 minutes.
15-minute timer started.
Colored icing. I got chocolate chips and sprinkles. Put them in front, and we're gonna wait for a little bit, like 30 minutes to let them cool down.
30 minutes is probably too long. Maybe like 5 minutes?
5.
So maybe we should get the oven mitt ready, huh?
Yep.
All right.
So you'll need a grown-up to help you take it out of the oven because it's really hot. You might burn yourself. Alexa, off. We're gonna see if they're done.
What do you think?
Those look good. But you're gonna bring them up. You might need a plate to put in.
What are those called, Ellia?
They're tongs. So you're gonna put the tongs down, and you can decorate it however you like.
That's right.
But today, I think we're gonna use pink.
Hey.
Put some other color icing you like and spread it. Some more. I think today, we're gonna be they're gonna be the same. It's like spreading jelly on a biscuit, but it's not. We're spreading icing. After you got all the icing done, put the spoon back in, and you're going to take a color. Flowers almost look like suns. Maybe not use the sprinkles right now. Let's use the sprinkles after we get all of them already done. But maybe all of the petals are gonna be green. After you got all of your cinnamon rolls done, you're going to take your sprinkles and then take one cinnamon roll at a time, and then this is the tricky thing. You'll need the cinnamon on a plate or a bowl or something to make sure the sprinkles don't spill on the counter. That'll be the little mess.
No, baby.
Now pour all of the sprinkles off, and so the ones out of sticking stick there so it looks pretty. Here we go.
Wow.
You still need to do with cream.
Move it down.
There we go.
Okay, in there.
I'm gonna wash my hands. This is delicious.
Oh my.
Thank you for watching Ellia's Creative Corner.